You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. For more confusing vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you coming up. Pronounced calorimetry. Let's break it down. Calorimetry. Stress on the third syllable, the re syllable. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar here. Calorimetry, calorimetry, calorimetry. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.